How to tighten plastic strapping. Plastic strapping is used by shippers to secure a shipment down to a pallet safely. Because large bundles of commodity or products are delivered by a freight truck, boat, or plane, the ride can be rocky and unstable, causing loose shipments to topple over. The items should be packaged, wrapped with stretch wrap, then held down with seal plastic straps. To tighten a plastic strap, you need a tool called a tensioner. These safety procedures are used to prevent the contents on the pallet from toppling over and getting damaged or injuring someone while it is being transported, domestically or internationally. Things you'll need: plastic strapping, plastic tensioner tool, sealer tool, metal seals, cutter tool or utility knife. Tightening the plastic strap with a tensioner. Wrap both ends of the plastic strapping around the large shipment or packaged product, leaving at least a foot or two of excess strap. As both ends of the plastic strap meet, one end will be longer than the other because of the excess strap you have left over from step 1. Place the longer end of the strap overlapped on top of shorter end. Hold the overlapping straps with one hand, and with the tensioner tool in the other, squeeze the tensioner handle down to the base of the tensioner. This will open up the gripper plate. Insert the shorter end of the plastic strap in under the gripper plate, and to close it, simply release your grip on the tensioner handle. The gripper plate will hold the shorter end of the plastic strap for you during the tightening process. With the tensioner holding the strap and the gripper plate in one hand, grab the longer end of the strap and pull them together as much as possible to keep the product or shipment strapped in tight. The gripper plate is located on the rear end of the tensioner base. Insert the longer end of the plastic strap into the front of the cutter wheel, making sure that there is no tension on the tensioner handle because it will activate the cutter wheel and cut the strap too soon. The cutter wheel is located on the front of the tensioner tool in front of the windlass. After the longer end is inserted through the cutter wheel, pull it through the windlass located in the center of the tensioner tool. The windlass is what cranks the strapping tight. The windlass is located in between the cutter and the gripper plate on the tensioner tool. With the long end of the strap inserted through the cutter wheel and windlass, crank the tensioner handle back and forth. You will notice the plastic strap tightening and hear the gears on the tensioner make a clicking sound as it gets tighter. Do this cranking motion until the plastic strap is tight enough to hold the product securely. With both ends of the strap inserted in the tensioner and tightened, you can let go of the tensioner tool because it will hold the strap securely while you seal it. Place a metal seal with the open end facing down on top of where the ends of the strap meet. Pull the sealer handles apart and clasp the teeth of the sealer over the metal seal and squeeze the sealer handle shut to secure the seal shut. Now that the strap is tightened and sealed, squeeze the tensioner handle firmly down on the base and it will activate the cutting mechanism in the cutter wheel, keeping your face away at a safe distance just in case it snaps. Pull the tensioner off to the right and you now have a tightened and sealed plastic strap. Tips: warnings. Use plastic strap guards to protect the corner of the strap boxes or products. The first time you use the tensioner tool is the hardest. You will get used to the whole tightening process the more you do it. If the straps are too loose, it won't hold the items firmly together, causing it to slip off or break. If you are using an older tensioner without a cutter wheel, then you would need a cutter or utility knife to cut off the excess strap after it has been tightened. Make sure you don't tighten the plastic straps too tight because it might snap and break off of the seal and cause injuries. Use safety gloves and wear safety goggles when tightening the plastic strap with a tensioner.